What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to double your RAM speed and performance in your PC. So it doesn't matter if you're using Windows 7, 8, 10 or Windows 11. Okay? It will be really useful for you if you are gamers, programmers or people who like to design or using heavy applications on your computer. Okay, now click on this PC icon, or it may be my PC on your computer. Okay, then right click and click on properties. In this window, as you can see, we are on system and about page. Go to device specification section, and as you can see, current installed RAM is 8 gigabytes. So we should customize, and we will click on advanced system settings. In this window, as you see, we are on the advanced tab, and we should click on performance settings. Then again you should go to advanced tab, and under virtual memory you should click on change. By default, as you can see, the automatically option is checked. You should deselect this one and select customize. But before that, we should calculate the RAM speed which we need. Open RAM and type CLC. Okay, as you know, my current RAM is 8 gigabytes, and you know each gigabyte is equal to 124 megabytes. So we will multiply 8 to 1024, and then we should multiply the result to 1.75, because it should be the initial size of RAM. Now we put the result to the initial and maximum values. Make sure the both options should be the same. In the meantime, let me clarify something. We can either increase the RAM capacity by putting extra RAMs on the slots on your computer physically, but this is totally virtual. I mean, after doubling your current RAM, you will not see any change in the section or this section except the performance. So all is about virtual increasing or doubling your RAM. Then click on OK, and as you can see, we should restart our computer to apply the changes. So that is it. And thank you for watching. If you can't proceed any steps, comment below and I will definitely help you. Thank you again, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys, and see you in the next video.